Thank you, but if it's science that you crave, look no further because we are joined by FOX5 Sam Argier. He is here to kick off our Go to School with FOX5 today, and we're learning how to make a cloud in a bottle.
Yeah. This is probably the biggest hit when I go to school visits.
Okay.
So we're on a little hiatus right now, of course, with school being out. But we're going to make a cloud in a bottle today. And Jason, it's all about water vapor. So there's 3 different phases water can be in, right?
Okay.
Liquid water. We've got ice that the Golden Knights skate on. We put in our drinks. But there's water vapor, and it's actually in this room right now. Can you feel the water vapor?
No.
You can't?
No.
Usually you can't because unless it's humid, that's when we notice the water vapor.
Okay, that's why.
But we're actually going to show you there's water vapor in this room, and we're going to cool it down enough to make a cloud form. Okay. So here's how we're going to do it. We got a regular plastic bottle right here, but my bottle has a very special top. It has a bicycle valve. Ooh. So this is the same thing you would use to blow up your bicycle tires. Now I've got a little liquid in the bottom there, and you might think, okay, that's water. Well, it's actually rubbing alcohol. Okay. Now, rubbing alcohol is the same thing that's in hand sanitizer, and I know a lot of people have been using that. So here, I'm going to give you a squirt. Okay. I'll charge you $1 later for that.
All right, yep.
So when you put it on, I want you to go like this with your hands. What does it feel like?
Like cooling.
It feels cool, right? Yeah. The reason why is because rubbing alcohol is in hand sanitizer, and evaporation is a cooling process. A great way to think of that, when you go to the pool, in the summertime, you get out of the pool before you dry off, you feel kind of chilly. Yes. Same process. So we're using rubbing alcohol because it evaporates very quickly. Now, we need the evaporation to happen, and the way we're going to do it is pressurize the bottle. I've got a little bicycle pump right here. Okay. Now, this is usually when I have the kids count about 50. Well, let me get it on there better.
Get it on there better.
Yeah, it's fallen off a little bit. Quick shout out to my kids at home. I told them to watch Dad for the lesson today. So, this is Katie and Brad, I'm going to be testing you later when I get home. So we are blowing up the bottle. All right. I put about 50 pumps of air in there. Usually the kids will count with me. They'll count. But what we're doing is we're pressurizing the bottle. We're making the pressure very high inside the bottle. So what's going to happen is once we get all that pressure inside the bottle and then we take off the top, all this air that we're pumping in right now, it's going to rapidly escape. Okay. And whenever you change the pressure that quickly, it's going to cause some of that rubbing alcohol to evaporate. And hopefully, it's going to cool down the air enough inside our bottle that we will get a cloud to form. So here we go. Okay. Usually do a little countdown. You guys want to count down? Ladies in the studio, let's count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! So it's a cloud. So that is, a lot of kids think it's magic, but it's actually science. The way we were able to do that is we were able to cool down the air enough in the bottle because of evaporation or cooling that a cloud formed. And that's the same way clouds form in the atmosphere. The clouds outside today, we've got water vapor in the atmosphere, so it's cooler above the surface, and we see clouds form. So there you go. That's the cloud in a bottle. And I'll probably be doing some more of this, so we'll have some more experiments to come over the coming weeks.
You really don't even, I mean, the classrooms is one thing, but you could do it to us adults.
Well, hey, you know, it's always a hit. So thank you for a little bit of a learning lesson for everyone at home.
And if you don't mind, I'm going to take this because I rode my bike today.
Oh, good.
And I have a flat.
You don't want a flat.
Yeah, so I'll be good with that. Sam, thank you. All right, Alyssa, over to you. Cloud, what do you, look at that.
I know, science is just like magic, kids. Do more of it.